Yo, what's up, everybody? We're back here in the garage, and we just finished up, pretty much finished up the install of the transmission line fittings from SPE. They go on the cooler lines, and we just shoved a little bit more extra fluid in there, and we're gonna show you how much it took. It lost a little bit, but that's all right. So let's have it. So we got the lines all buttoned up. We didn't get to start it because obviously the battery is dead, but most of that fluid is what came out. There's a little bit that came out of this pump after we pumped some in. Well, that's what we used. It worked out pretty good. As you can see, we got the car on a battery tender slash charger, I guess. So hopefully we can come back out here tomorrow or the next day, check for any leaks. I don't think there would be, but you never know. So as you can see, the left one is the non-open one, and this one is the open one on the right. And that's how much out of the bottle that we added in. Now, we've seen that little trick online. I don't know if it helps out or not. We're gonna see. So almost $200, $300. I don't know what this is. Milliliters. Liters. But we got it almost ready to go in here. Let me try and get the light situated a little better to maybe see it. Well, I don't know. But I don't know if you can see them. But you can see the lines. The fittings are in there with the lines. That were pretty rough to get in, man. Video makes it look easy, but when I went to put them in, I had to actually put the fittings in first, then the lines. I had to hit the fittings in a little bit, and it's pretty tight. I'm sure it seals pretty good, but you can see we got them on. We basically gotta, put this shield on. And then it goes right there. That will go on. We'll get the bolts in there. The nut on the other side. And then hopefully it will still not leak. They didn't leak before. We're just doing this as a safety precaution anyway. So they're known to have problems, so if it's known to have the problem, why not just do it? So we're about to button that up. Hopefully come out in the next few days and start it up to see if it's working and not leaking. So there you have it here from Brzezicki Brothers Performance. Great product from SPE, along with all their other products we got. They're great products. Check them out. So we're gonna get back at it. Till them next videos, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and I'll catch you later. Peace.